In this video I'm going to show you how to put finger markers on the fingerboard of your violin in a very precise and exact way. This method applies to any violin size. Coming up! Hi everybody, welcome back to Violin Lessons Online. This is an online violin school for beginners and advanced players. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Visit my website so you won't miss anything. Before we start, you have to make sure that the bridge is in the correct position. If you're not sure about how to position your bridge correctly, have a look in the description below to find out more information. The first thing you need to do is to measure the vibrating string length. The vibrating string length goes from the top knot to the bridge. It's very important that you don't misunderstand these points and make sure to take this measurement in the correct way. In my case, the vibrating string length is equal to 324 millimeters. Now you should download the finger markers rulers, which is a simple PDF available on my website. Link in the description. Every single page of this PDF applies to a different string length. You choose the page which contains your string length, which is in my case 324 millimeters. Then print this page out and cut the paper following the lines. Doing that way, you get a finger markers ruler, which you're going to use to fix your finger markers. Insert it that way under the strings. Push it to the top knot as much as possible. Don't leave any empty space over there. Then align each side to the fingerboard. Now draw a sign with your pencil in front of those arrows. Repeat the same exact process on the other side of the fingerboard. When both sides are marked with your pencil, you're ready to stick your finger markers on the fingerboard. I usually cut a sticker into thin lines and use them this way. That way. But you can use anything you like for this purpose. Alright, now you have your finger markers in place. I have separate videos where I'm talking about what the finger markers actually are and how they apply to the music you're playing and how to understand finger charts and tonality. Information in the description below. If you have any questions, if you think there is anything I'm missing in this video, or if you have any requests on which video you would like me to do next, simply let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, hit the bell notification icon, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, visit my website so you won't miss anything. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.